Right, I'm going to try and change dashboard light bulb on a Discovery 2 53 plate. And force the cars to the back. Try and clip it, which takes a wee bit of shaking it out. There we go. Right, let's gently take it out, and there is where the bulb goes. Now, I have taken it out earlier, that wee gap, but it's just a question of putting it in and turning it at 90-degree angle, and hey presto, it should fit. So, back to here. Hang on a second. Right. Here is the bulb in its container. Got to go in that way. And that's it. And there we go. Believe it or not, proof of the pudding. The light is not very clear, but it's certainly on. I'll switch my lights off. Turn it down and gently prise that into place. And we might see it better now. Right. And it's very faint, but it's on. Right. I hope that was a guide to how you do it. Anyway, please let me know your comments. Thank you very much. Bye.